Hey crime junkies, ever seen someone risk everything to avoid arrest? This body cam footage shows a suspect taking a wild plunge into a river, and it's got us wondering, what was really going through their mind?
Stop, police, now! Stop, police! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! You see my laser? Probes are coming out right now!
The suspect's unexpected flight instantly elevates the threat level. Now it's not just a simple arrest, it's a pursuit. The officer's adrenaline spikes. Foot pursuit. The chase begins. The officer is now physically exerting themselves, potentially facing obstacles, and trying to maintain visual contact with the fleeing suspect. Their focus is divided between catching the suspect and assessing potential dangers in the environment.
Stop, police!
The suspect's leap into the river presents a critical decision point for the officer. Do they follow? The river itself poses a risk to both the suspect and the officer. The officer has to quickly weigh the severity of the original offense against the potential dangers of a water rescue, the possibility of the suspect drowning, and the resources required for a safe retrieval.
Get out of the river! Route Paul 618. Get out of the river! He just jumped in the river behind Backdoor Sports. I couldn't get a hold of him, he's floating down.
Tactical considerations. The officer has to reassess their tactics. A foot pursuit might no longer be the best approach. They might need to call for backup, reassess the situation, and consider alternative methods of apprehension. In short, the officer's perspective is one of rapid change, heightened stress, and complex decision-making in a dynamic environment. They're trying to balance the need to apprehend a suspect with the safety of everyone involved, including themselves and the suspect.
Dude, you're gonna kill yourself! You're gonna kill yourself for a misdemeanor! Come on, take my hand. Sarge, he let go.
So was it pure fear, a history of run-ins with the law, or just a split-second decision gone wrong? Let us know what you think drove this suspect's desperate escape in the comments below. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe so you never miss another episode.